Okay, my friends, so we have some changes here on pantheratrade.live. It's auto trade gold robot, and now they have moved all rebates are calculated and moved to your wallet address now. So before it was able to find your rebates in dashboard, and if you go to so there was rebate account. It still have account. You can see your balance, but latest updates what I received from their auto trade gold team that all calculation or rebates will go here. So now you can move all your wallet address from wallet address to your mine deposit in order to compound like that. So as you can see, I have already moved for yesterday. There was one trade. Here it is. Today is 10th of February, and from that trade I got also rebates from my customers as well. And now we have more money here, so I will go to transactions, balance transfer, and here I select wallet MT4. I should select my gold account where I would like to move money, and I will enter here amount. Enter password from your account, click on send OTP, it's one-time password. Go to your email box, and here you can find your one-time code. I will copy it and go back to your website once again, not copied. Yeah, no copy. Okay, so I'll go back, enter password, looks fine, and click on send. Success, transfer submitted and will be processed shortly. Okay, so now status is pending. We need around 1 till 5 minute waiting, and it should be updated. So let's wait a little bit, guys. By the way, if you are interested in diversification, so if you are using for example Panthera trading, you can also start using other bots like for example fast BNB or intelligence prime capital. It's also powerful bots. The latest what I have started use is Liber Financial. It's where people can enter with small amount here, and can people start pumping this coin, so it will grow dramatically up. So make sure to, so it's like 2% per day growing. So new project, also interesting. Make sure to check links what I'll put the video below, so you can talk to me and I'll show you what product uh, what projects I'm using at the moment. Okay, so here we can see our rebate edit and our balance now increased. Let's refresh also on the page. Here you can see status success. So all working, guys, all working fast. Windrows also starting processed very fast because they are starting using their new exchange. So I hope this project will last long. And guys, if you are interested, as I said, add me on Telegram. Let's talk. Let's decide where we can move to new projects as well for increasing our capital. And have a nice day. Bye.